Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, WKHS showing some signs of strength here. Still has work to do, but you got to give credit where credit is due. Especially when you factor in the context that this morning was rough. I mean, it pulled back here, but then leveled out, and then has spent basically in the entire afternoon creeping higher and higher. So a good overall move. Now, I would still be skeptical about it from the big picture. So what do I mean by that? Well, let me move things down here. And I say skeptical just because, well, the price has made big moves before, but as of right now, the price is still down below this overall resistance trend line, but at least it's getting closer and closer. Now, it's got a couple other roadblocks to accomplish and get over before it can even get up to there. The main roadblock now being that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200-period moving average. And given that the price is down below it, that suggests that it would tend to act as resistance. And that value is at $15.96, but let's just call it $16 to make it easier to remember. So in the near term, $16 is going to be that initial level that'll need to be broken through. In the event, though, the price can break up through that area, then yeah, at that point, the next key overall level is going to be that overall resistance trend line there. And if the price could, get up there and then break through it, that would really, really change the landscape of the chart. So again, yeah, you got to give credit's due. Nice move. But there's still a lot more work the bulls are going to need to do in order to get, the entire chart turned around here. And it starts with those moving averages. And then if the price can get through there, next key level has to do with that overall resistance trend line at that point. As far as areas of support, nothing new here to report other than the fact that the price did a great job. Like I said, this morning things got a little rough with the pullback here. But ultimately that $15, general range right there held strong. Not only did it hold, but it produced a nice bounce off that area. So good to see that $15 remains that important and key area of support. And then you do have $14.25 down here. But as of right now, that level is not, very relevant given that the price is currently working its way back upwards. But all in all, very nice way to start off the week. Let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.